Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the Realme 12 Pro 5G. Is this device really worth the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk design. The submarine blue finish is stunning. It's sleek, modern, and definitely stands out. Realme has nailed the aesthetics on this one. The phone feels premium in hand, and the build quality is impressive. Now, onto the specs. This beast comes with 12 GB of RAM and a whopping 512 GB of storage. That's more than enough for all your apps, games, and media files. Plus, with Dynamic RAM 8, multitasking is a breeze. Under the hood, the Realme 12 Pro 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 6 first-generation chipset. This ensures smooth performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing the web. The phone handles everything you throw at it with ease. Let's not forget about the camera setup. The Sony IMX 88250MP sensor with optical image stabilization is a game changer. Your photos will come out crisp and clear, even in low light conditions. The 32MP 2x telephoto lens offers great versatility for capturing distant subjects without losing detail. For those of you who love taking selfies, you won't be disappointed. The front camera delivers sharp and vibrant images, perfect for your social media needs. Battery life is another area where the Realme 12 Pro 5G shines. With a 5000 mAh battery, you can easily get through a full day of heavy use. And when you do need to charge, the fast charging capability gets you back up to full power in no time. One of the standout features is the dual SIM support. This is perfect for those who need to manage personal and work numbers on the same device. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in everyday use. So, is the Realme 12 Pro 5G worth the hype? Absolutely. It's a powerhouse of a device, packed with features that cater to both casual users and tech enthusiasts alike. The design, performance, and camera capabilities make it a top contender in the market. If you're looking for a new smartphone that offers great value for money, the Realme 12 Pro 5G is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.